Here you can clearly see how I've mounted my Box 11 cabinet on top of my 22 space portable cabinets. I made the ends from mahogany and I used cutouts to give more stability to the top. It's perfectly stable and rigid, and if I wanted to extend it so that I had 22 spaces, I could easily bolt on another section and move that end book of mahogany to the very end for a more symmetrical cabinet arrangement. This is now currently holding my overflow modules as a result of adding modules to my 44 space system. Hi guys, Stephen Mendes here with the Analog Modular rig from synthesizers.com that's growing slowly as we go. Now, in a short while you're going to hear the drum sequence. You'll remember some time back I made a patch showing you how to synthesize the bass drum and the snare drum, and at that time I triggered them using the red trigger button on the modules. This gives us 8 programmable gate signals. As you can see there, I'm only using 2 tonight, one for the bass drum and one for the snare drum, merely because I haven't set up all and I just want to really demonstrate the rig to you. We're triggering the MIDI gates module from an Alesis SR18 drum sequencer. The Alesis SR18 is a particularly good drum sequencer on its own, offering many features which I've reviewed in previous videos, and you can also get all of the drum sounds through the MIDI out as note values. You can then easily program into your MIDI gates module to give you individual outputs, which you can then use to trigger your drum sounds in your Analog Modular rig. And of course, as I buy more and more modules, I would be able to have more and more drum sounds playing simultaneously if I want. Thanks for watching the Stephen Mendes channel, and we'll see you in the next video.